boy Bobby Rich, and let me tell you, today we took the 135 out. And let me tell you, I am not a professional. I am doing this on pure fun. Put some brand new tires on the car today, took it out to go do some sliding in a controlled area. Remember that. It's not, don't come from me. I was surprised on how fast this thing went through tires. It's sitting on 400 horsepower. I didn't know, you know. I did buy a drift car, however, the transmission on that broke. And I'm like, man, let me try this 135i at sliding. And let me tell you, this thing slides so well. In the hand of a professional, it's a wicked piece of car. In the hand of me,
you know we don't play. Stay out the way. Check out this look on my face.
Keep this momentum going.
Give me my cape. Look at I'm flying away. Five-star cream with a cop.
Fuck! Fucked up, man. I fucked up. Can't drift for shit. I thought I was a professional. This shit sucks.
Spot. Gonna put the cherry on top.
I'ma get better.
This one can't be stopped. Giving them shock. It's really like that. Don't believe
However,
me, just watch.
I know everybody gonna have a lot of shit to say. I don't give a damn. I'm having fun. I'm enjoying my car. Woo-hoo! Yeah! So I'm gonna upload a video of me attempting to drift the 135i.
Okay.
Car's fighting me, man. The car's fighting me. Let's go. First gear run. Second gear. Yep, fighting me. Come on, we got this. The car have the power. I don't have an e-brake, and I'm trying to practice without using an e-brake. I just want to get better. I want to get better at it. Try to get second gear for that one. Let's go. Let's ride this one out. Woo, that was good. All right, let's go. We're getting warmed up. Like a lot of professional drifters that have been doing it way before me say, hey, practice without the e-brake first so you don't have to rely on the e-brake. Didn't want to go too hard on that turn because that's over there. Today I learned, so if I mess with the brake, I get a little bit more control.
Yeah.
All right, kick out.
The city is up in the madness. The people that's giving the damage. They turn into animal savage. Survivors and heroes and mammoths. The hero was coming, I'm locked in. You know that I'm winning, I'm top 10. You know that I came from the dog pen. You want it, you get it, you drop dead. The rebel who came from the bottom. My enemies know that I got it. I'm planting my seeds and gardens. Then watching them sprout and harvest. The greatest was always in my plans.
And I do enjoy it. This is something I always wanted to do. I gotta get new tires. I got new tires at home. I'm gonna mount them when I get back home. Let's run it again. We messed up that one. Let's try to do a connect. We're connecting the dots here. Too much.
Glad you came, it's best you come and stay. I need your loving like
that's enough. You can see I hit a couple curves with this sucker right here, but oh well. I can say we motherfucking have fun, baby. Let me see what if I lose anything. I've been cutting some grass. Ooh, this baby rips. I always be babying this thing, but man, this thing rips. Ow. Live life, you only live once, right? But make conscious decisions. All right, anyway. So I was telling you about that I bought a drift car, right? Let me show you what I'm talking about. Not this, not that, not that. This. It got a Mustang engine in it. It's a 302 from a Fox body. I'm looking to restore this car, not to perfection. However, it does need a lot of small details. I thought I was a professional. Shit sucks.